What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get $5 for free on Cash App in just a few quick, easy steps. No fluff, just the essentials. Let's get right into it so you can start making things happen. The first thing you're going to do is tap into your Cash App application. It should look like this. Then you're going to tap into the top right hand corner to your profile. Then you're going to tap on Invite Friends. Here you can invite your friends. Each friend who does not have a Cash App profile linked to their phone number will have a highlighted Get $5 next to them. You can scroll through your contacts to see who might not have a Cash App that you could invite. Each friend that you invite is worth $5. You can tap on it. You can send it as a text message. You can send it as an email. You can send it through Facebook. It's $5 for you and $5 for a friend. Invite your friends. You'll automatically get paid when they complete these steps. First, enter your referral code when they sign up. Second, link a new debit card or bank account to their Cash App account. People under 18 can activate a Cash App card instead. And third, spend $5 within 14 days of entering the referral code. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you get your $5 quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.